What's going on, everybody? My name is John Johnson, and in today's live stream I'm going to be trying to figure out how to use ChatGPT to program an extension for Google Chrome that allows anybody to pretty much turn their Google Voice into a dialer, a single line dialer. And the objective of the script is to make calling, or specifically cold calling, easier. I don't know exactly how I feel about this, because this is definitely not something that I would suggest. Like, if you have a main Google Voice line, I would definitely suggest that you use like an alternate number. Don't use your main Google Voice business line for this one. But yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot and see if I can pull it off just by prompting ChatGPT. A little background about me and my knowledge of programming: when I was in middle school and maybe freshman year of high school, I was programming video games in C# and Java, and I haven't really done anything since then, though I understand how programming works, of course. And of course, I think I was also all the way up to like 11th grade, doing basic Java puzzles and that kind of stuff, But I went to college, went to community college, and decided, hey, I don't think this is how I want to spend my life. I want to actually run the business and hire somebody to do this kind of stuff for me. Looks like now I'm going to be employing ChatGPT. So let's hop into this video. I'm going to minimize my screen, my little video guy over here, and we will see if I can pull this off using ChatGPT. It says my battery is low. This place is really small, but hopefully something good happens here soon. In the meantime, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to open up ChatGPT, and here's what we've got. I've got Mac, I've got Visual Studio, and I've already made the folder, and now I'm making a few different types of files. And so this is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm just going to do exactly what ChatGPT tells me to do in terms of the files that I need to make. I'll make these files, and then I'll pretty much have ChatGPT do all the work. I already got the extensions that I needed. And it's very straightforward, just looking in the extensions and typing in the types of files. But let's see, if we can make something like this happen, because if we can, it might be advantageous, for some people in the community. Now, I can't say that this is going to be the best thing for you to do. I don't know if this is going to get you flagged by Google or not, or get your number flagged or whatever. However, making a call, for a few hundred, I wouldn't suggest doing, thousands of these, but a few hundred of these calls, you should be good. So, we've got all of our files. Let's see, we're going to create the manifest.json file. So we'll describe the extension and declare permissions. So let's go ahead and copy this code. It's pretty straightforward. I'll show you the prompts that I use. I said, can you make a Google extension that uses a list of numbers from a CSV file and calls them using Google Voice on my Google Chrome browser on Mac? That was the prompt. And so now I'm going to be putting this all together here. This first one goes into the manifest file. So I need to find the manifest.json file, and I need to just paste this and save it. Now we're going to move on to the next one, the pop-up HTML. We will copy and paste this into the pop-up, save that. And then we will do this simple style file for the pop-up. Style. Let's see. Where's style? funny to think, you know, I had friends that were in high school that were really programming a lot of stuff. Now, dude, you can pretty much make anything, dude. You can literally do anything. You're unlimited, bro. Literally. Next is the pop-up .javascript. Next is the background. This file receives the list of numbers and opens new tabs to initiate calls. It literally explains everything. Background. Alright, well, everything has been saved. Let's take a look. Create icon.png. Add an icon image. It's 128 by 128 pixels. Let's go to Canva. Custom size. 128 by 128. I'll look for a few different types of elements. Phone. This one looks nice. I like this one. And then a robot. Let's see if we can make it cool. Something like this. Make it creative. Okay. I think that looks pretty cool. Alright. So then we'll highlight everything, make it bigger, remove the background. Transparent background. Very simple stuff, guys. Very simple stuff. It's just a placeholder. So we'll go back to GPT, which is right here. Open Chrome and navigate to this tab. Put GPT. Enable developer mode. Let's see, where is developer mode? Up here. Click load unpacked. Load unpacked. And then I gotta select under desktop, Google Voice Caller. Could not load icon, so I gotta save this as icon. So I'll rename this icon. And then I'll pull this and pop it in here. Retry, okay. I guess it's that simple. Let's see. How crazy is this, dude? Usage. Click on the extension icon to open the pop-up. Okay, so it's here. No file chosen. Start calling. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Okay. So I want to edit this. Can you edit this script to make contacts with, okay, so this is gonna add contacts. The next one's gonna add the contacts. Can you make a script that adds contacts with the fields first name, last name, and phone number, address. Can you make a script that adds contacts with the fields first name, last name, phone number, and address? Then adds the first name and last name into the name field and the address into the, let's see, what is the following field? Shit, I don't want to get flagged. They might fucking flag me for this. Let's see, if we do people, we do add to contacts, and then contact name. Okay. I hope they don't flag me on this. Okay, then adds the first and last name into the, what was it called? Contact name, contact label. First and last name into the contact name field. And the address into the contact label field. Let's see what ChatGPT comes up with, okay? So this is the other one I gotta make. And then I'll give it a shot, you know what I'm saying? I'll add these people to my contacts and see if it works. So we're gonna do the same thing with Google Voice Caller contacts. Okay. And I'm gonna do all of the same things here in terms of creating the contacts, and then I should probably change the phone from something like a book contact. Do the same robot style. This isn't very important, you know, this is just the difference between your contacts and other stuff, so this is just an idea. download this with transparent background. And then Google Voice Caller contacts. I'm gonna put this in here. Get rid of this. And I'll rename this icon. Okay, so then we're gonna go through this. We'll open this Explorer up. Let's see if there's open editors. Maybe that's what it is. Okay, so open editors. That sent me a text. I gotta check that real quick. Don't know what he sent. Oh, he said.
However you want to structure it, just let me know. I'll write it up and send it out. I think, like I said, right now, they've probably had conversations where like, oh, if we sold it right now, we'd walk away with 18,000. But maybe they've had more realistic conversations of, we're not going to get 210,000. We're not going to get 18,000. We're probably going to end up selling for 195 or something like that. And that is only, $2,500 bucks. So either go zero down and just tuck away like 5K in equity for them to get paid out later, or give them, I don't know, 2,500 bucks and then pay commission and closing costs separate. So I would do either, but it's not like a home run deal, like long-term rental wise or nothing like that. You're probably gonna have to wrap it to an owner occupant, I imagine. So you just gotta be tight and conservative with your numbers.
On it. I'm about to get you Al's number right now. Yeah, I think we should just try to give them zero down, and just see, if they take it, because, I already explained to the agent the situation, and we want to make sure that there's, something we can get from wrapping it. So let's try that. All right, let me get him Al's number. Let's see. Let's see if it works. Let's see. Desktop. Skip tracing. I need an output. Let's try this output. Oh. No, this ain't right. Oh. This can't be correct. So damn, that's going through the whole list. How do I give it a kill switch? That ain't good. How do I turn it off? That's not good, not right. Alright, I guess I gotta just turn this off. Close out this window. Meu Deus. Okay, well, let's do this. So first, we gotta go and edit the HTML. HTML. Next, we gotta edit JavaScript. Pop up. This ain't good. Go here. I don't know. I think I fucked this up already. Damn, bro. I don't have enough space in my fucking house, bro. I need more space. This ain't fucking cutting it. There might be something I could do. Say I just delete this output folder. That should get it to move to trash. Hopefully that does it. Nope. So. Oh no, no. Okay. I'm gonna see if anybody's on this YouTube live. This is pissing me off.